Why, hello there, mystics and mongrels alike. Shams Nelson here from Fantastic Anatomy with another episode of Draw D&D with the same subject matter. If you've got a problem with my content, then you can just click like and subscribe, then watch this video to the very end, and then put on a playlist of my other videos, and then go cry in the corner. All right? So I'm really into drawing these crazy little chibi characters in this. I think it's Junior Pencil. Junior Pencil. It makes more sense than JR Pencil style. So let me show you some of the doodles I've been doodling. These guys are still my favorite. I think they're the first two I did. Zeki and Boro, man. Who would win in a battle? I already know, but I bet you can't figure it out. Look at that. We got some orcs. We got some ninjas. It's too beautiful out here with this speckled light. You can't see what's going on. We got some mages. This guy I really like. We got some Dragon Ball Z. This is a bit of a spoiler, as is this. For what though? I can't say, or I won't say. So I've been really going crazy, and I think, I'm almost sure, there is the World of Chibi comic on the nearby horizon. I've been wanting to do like a web comic for the longest time. These are the, slime swines, but I think I'm gonna change it to swine hogs. Alright, so this has been a fun little sneak preview, and now let's get to drawing some of our own Chibi characters. Alright, let's draw these suckers, and we're gonna be using the same crazy random class racing class generators before, just nicer layout. So if we're lucky, we might even get Spell Scale and Kobold again. And the official Wizards of the Coast dice roller, of course, in all its glory. So let's roll some dice. Oh man, 12. We got a Dragonborn. Alright, I'll do a half Dragonborn. I was gonna do this one. So we're on this first column. This one has some crazy ones. A Ranger. What was that again? Dragonborn Ranger? That's pretty cool. So I haven't really practiced doing more creature-y classes with this style yet, so that's why. And also, I don't really know how to draw Dragonborn in general. Not sure how to display their key features. Actually, this is the first time, surprisingly, that I've drawn. So we're going to do two facing off, like they're going to do battle. You guys can let me know which one, so wait, which hand would have the bow? That was this one. Well, assuming he's right-handed. And assuming it's a he. You know what? I'm going to do a she. I'm going to, I'm not going to say that again. I am going to draw a female for the next one because I never do that, and I've been practicing it a little bit, and I think I might be able to do it. You guys can be the judge of that. And you know what? This ranger, rangers do have some divine magic. People don't really think about that too much. So I'm going to emphasize that a little bit. Maybe have him with his hand doing some divine magic. Like summoning a dire. Right now you don't know what he's doing, but he's actually summoning a dire mole. A dire naked mole rat. Just a huge one that's about to pop out of the earth behind him and like whatever sound it makes. And then is our female anti-hero. I don't know why I want her to be an anti-hero. She's going to be up against some dangerous odds, if I do say so myself. Alright, let's not get too caught up in this. We'll just say there's going to be something here. Maybe he's wearing gloves. And then, so Ranger, should he have an animal companion? Well, it's a dire mole, but he hasn't seen him yet. No, it's not the dire mole. He's summoning that with magic. So we can have a little creature. What creature is this shape? See? I might come back to that. Alright. And of course he needs a melee weapon. Rangers are the best, man. I always used to play Ranger because I'm like, wait. So you can survive on your own. You have melee and ranged weapon skills. You have magic. You have an animal companion. Druid's also cool, but druids have more magic and less swords. So that's why I always lean Ranger. Cool. This Ranger perhaps is of the Xia Empire. Oh, I just saw this as a little headband. So let's go with that. I like this chunky hair stuff that I've been working on. I might bring that into the Fantastic Anatomy drawing system. Okay. And he's confident. Look at that. Little cocky little bastard with his little weird creature. Should we do something about this? Make it a little like cuter, or like more creature-like? Or no? Yeah, it's kind of creeping me out. It's kind of creeping me out. I don't want to be judgmental, but it's too late. I already was for that creature. That creature. Alright. So, let's not do that. Let's not. Gotta keep it subtle. Alright, so he needs a little creature, and then we can roll our second guy. This is the only creature I know how to draw. A little something like that. Maybe it has a little snap. No, snap's too big. Snap's down here. Doop, doop. Panda. It's a crazy panda. Alright, since his first creature was a little crazy, then this little creature is going to be a little crazy. It's a crazy panda. Crazy panda man. So do never make fun of my crazy panda. It's his catchphrase. Gives him +2 charisma. Because it's so cute. Alright. What? What happened here? It's not even the right color. Alright. Alright, cool. I'm digging it. Let's see. Maybe take it into a more finished sketch stage. If I do, I'll do a flash forward magic. Alright. We're gonna roll the second one. Come on, you guys. Give me something good. 1. Human. Alright, fine. Whatever. At least it's something I know what it is. 18. Oh, wait, we're doing this one. 18. So we're in this one. Okay. Alright. I know I'm going quick because I'm War Mage, baby. That's why I'm going with the alternate table. War Mage. Human War Mage. Female. I gotta not forget that. I'm gonna change the color. Make it a dark. Color's gonna be nice. So how are we gonna make it female? It. Her. So one thing is we can make the eyes bigger and more beautiful. And we can make the eyebrows higher, even if they're mad, see? She's fierce. And that little crest, not crest, fold over the eyes, that's gonna help. Now I don't want her to look like a child. We're gonna have a little wisdom in her eyes by squinting it a little more. She is not amused by his cockiness. Of course, we'll give her beautiful hair. But okay, let's go to the body real quick. Let's see, I'm kind of curious what her beautiful hair is going to look like. I have no idea, honestly. Maybe it'll be like, oh, what? It looks too unintimidating. It's kind of interesting, though. So you're going to want a thinner upper body and about the same hip size for these. I wouldn't emphasize it too much, maybe you want to. So in fact, I said I would de-emphasize. And then some breasts, of course. And that's going to give you the basic. So she's a war mage. So maybe she's like, I don't trust this guy. And the war mage would have like
a staff that's also a bludgeoning weapon. That's what I would think. And that's what I would have if I was a war mage. Assuming that staffs are better for channeling your arcane energies. So there could be a crystal. Maybe that's what you need for this thing. But how can you encase the crystal inside of like a giant mace? No, man. Let's come back to that. And let's give her attitude a little more spunk. So we're gonna push this curve a little bit. And then we'll give her a cool cape. With shift you have some of these. Oops. Oops. You know what I'm talking about? Just gotta have the collar popped to show that both she's hip in the clubs and she braves cold environments. I don't really know. Why is the thing popped up? Is you're like slightly more mysterious? I wonder if it's a universal, like no matter what country you're in, if you walk around with your thing popped up. I get it. I don't know. It'd be more cool. Or do they not care in certain countries? It's probably a cultural thing. This has been a cultural moment in Fantastic Anatomy. Alright. Oh my gosh, did I not give her puffy pants? Or him? I'm giving him puffy pants. Yeah, you gotta be kidding me. I'm giving him puffy pants. I think that's gonna be the name of my upcoming multi-series autobiographical documentary style development vignette. Puffy pants. The story of the last great artist. What? Did he just call himself the last great artist? It's a little bit egotistical, isn't it? Only if it's not true, my friends. Only if it's not true. Alright, this is weird. Her circlet has to have some kind of like power. Cool. So I think we're gonna go into fast forward mode. Probably should have already done that. Oh wait, let's finish off her. So let's say she's wearing pants. And then so I think I'll outline them, and I'm gonna try with the full opacity on. I'm gonna give that a go. So let's go into fast forward mode, flash mode, activate.
think I'll go ahead and stop there. We got our little friend here, cool looking ranger, with his animal companion panda friend. I don't have a name for him, so if you guys do, let me know. And until next time, peace, God bless, and stay fantastic, everyone.